Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing how traders factor in President Trump. Thank you for joining this Forex Academy educational video. In this session, we will be looking at how President Donald Trump affects the financial markets and what precaution traders have to take since he came to power. First of all, we need to remind ourselves that President Trump has never been a politician, he has never been a diplomat, and some members of the Democratic Party in the United States, and a lot of other people, might argue that he doesn't have a diplomatic bone in his body. President Trump inherited a fortune from his late father and made himself a name in reality TV. He has brought a certain element of reality TV to his presidency. Often his style is considered to be chaotic, argumentative, belligerent, and the Democratic Party tried to have him impeded halfway through his presidency. Certainly there seems to be a great deal of animosity between himself and the Speaker of House, Nancy Pelosi, who is not happy with losing the opportunity to have him impeached halfway through his term in office. She is now working to have him removed from office over concerns about his inability to run office, and where under the 25th Amendment, should she succeed, Vice President Pence would take over. This will only serve to cause more friction between the pair, and when Donald Trump's cage is rattled, he tends to be reactive, and this may be causing the delay to the proposed stimulus bill, which, the longer it is stalled, the more adversely it will affect Americans and American companies. The current impasse between the Republicans and the Democrats is the difference between $1 trillion or $2 trillion. Surely it would make sense to at least start with the smaller of the two amounts and build from there rather than make people suffer. One has to ask if this is a personal vendetta, because it certainly seems to be a power struggle. And of course, this is all part of Donald Trump's style of leadership. One day he says there will be a stimulus bill, the next day he says there will not be a stimulus bill until such time as the US presidential election is over. This of course affects the US stock markets, and the knock-on effect is felt by other global markets and numerous assets including treasuries, bonds, and of course it has affected the United States dollar and every currency which is traded against the dollar. Singularly, the most disruptive way that Trump affects the financial markets is his use of Twitter. With a single tweet, Donald Trump can move markets dramatically, where in years gone past, high level of economic data releases have been subject to an embargo. President Trump, however, will simply issue a tweet at any time he sees fit, the consequences of which can cause the financial markets to suffer extreme volatility, with some traders benefiting and of course many others losing money because of his style alone. If you are relatively new to trading, we suggest you add President Trump to your Twitter feed and keep abreast of his tweets, or better still, only trade when he is in bed or asleep. Remember to expect the unexpected from him. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.